Welcome back again. Today we are going to demonstrate proper wire joints in an electrical connection. There are many ways to do it, but we will show you the proper certified way by a certified electrician. How to wire a new residential construction. So as you can see here, we have some connections we're going to do, and we're going to show you how to do them. So in this situation, we're going to show you the wrong way, and we're going to show you the right way. So what we're going to get my helper to do here is we're going to marret the connections together. So on the internet and in many books, it will show that you can simply just stick 3 wires together and stick the marret on them. So let's demonstrate how that is done, or how everybody thinks it should be done. So normally those wouldn't get twisted together. You just stick them together like that and then shove the marret on. This creates a number of problems. First of all, it creates a loose connection inside of the marret or wire connector, and also it can create arcing or hot spots inside that connection. So we don't recommend, and we never do it that way. It's just not a good practice to have. So now we're going to put one on the black, and we're going to show a proper way to terminate the wiring. So we take all 3 wires and we stick them together. With your index and your thumb, you're going to hold, or we hold the wires, and then we twist with our linesman pliers clockwise. It's very important to twist clockwise, and we twist it up the whole way. And then to top that off on the end, we'll cut it on a bit of an angle, and that allows the marret to have a good connection. So we stick the marret on, tighten it down with our fingers, but we don't just stop there. We'll usually take our pliers and give it a good twist clockwise. Now that is a proper wire termination, wire connection, whatever you want to call it, that is never going to come apart. You can pull on that and not have any issues with it. So if you see it done any other way on the internet, you shouldn't be following that process. We don't recommend to do your own electrical work anyway. We're just showing you how we do it, but this is the proper way to terminate. Now, if we were going to go on to this receptacle, that leaves us, we call this a pigtail. So it carries power in and power back out to the next receptacle, and then this gives us a pigtail to go on to the actual side of the receptacle. So I'm going to get him to strip the end of this with a pair of strippers, not a pair of linesmen, and we go about 1 centimeter or about a ½ inch on the back of that, and then we're going to hook it. And that hook goes on that receptacle in a clockwise manner. You see here how he's got it right on that receptacle? Just move your thumb there, big guy. So you see how on this side over here, it wraps around. So as he tightens that terminal screw, it actually makes that connection even tighter, which then we will never have a problem with. So that is a proper way to do a wire joint. There's no other way that we accept to do it, just because that's simply, it's good for us and it doesn't cause us any callbacks or problems, because when you're playing with electricity, you want to do it properly. So hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.